Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best label for 5160, the TRUNIUM shipping address labels. These labels are a game changer, especially for anyone who regularly uses mailing labels for laser or inkjet printers. Whether you're shipping out a few packages or organizing documents, these labels are designed to meet all your needs. The TRUNIUM shipping address labels come in a convenient 1 inch by 2-5/8 inch size, which fits perfectly on standard 8.5 inch by 11 inch sheets. Each pack contains 25 sheets, giving you 750 labels to work with. That's a lot of labels for all your shipping, packaging, or organizational needs. What's even better is how easy these labels are to peel, thanks to the strong adhesive backing. Simply bend the paper at the corners, and you can effortlessly peel off the label, making it quick and hassle-free. One of the standout features of these labels is their compatibility with both laser and inkjet printers. The labels are designed to print clearly and consistently, whether you're printing a batch of shipping labels or creating custom stickers. You can even download the label templates in PDF or Microsoft Word formats, making customization a breeze. They're also compatible with popular label printers like the 5160, 5260, and 8160, making them a versatile option for different users. Speaking of versatility, the TRUNIUM shipping address labels are perfect for more than just address and shipping labels. They're also ideal for packaging, organizing, and even custom sticker creation. Their adhesive is strong enough to stick to various surfaces such as metal, plastic, glass, cardboard, and even envelopes, ensuring they stay put during transit. Whether you're sending out boxes, organizing products, or labeling documents, these labels do the job effortlessly. Another impressive quality is the high-quality material used in these labels. They are made with permanent adhesive, ensuring they won't peel off over time. This durability is key when you're dealing with shipments or important documents. Plus, the labels dry quickly after printing, leaving you with clear, smudge-free text. So, if you're in need of reliable, high-quality shipping labels for your business or personal use, the TRUNIUM shipping address labels are a fantastic choice. Whether you're printing a few or a large batch, they provide a seamless experience that makes shipping and organizing more efficient. That's it for today's review of the TRUNIUM shipping address labels. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more product insights. Let us know in the comments if you've tried these labels and what your experience was like. Until next time.